Hey guys, welcome back to SyncBricks. I'm Amjad, and today I'm diving into something truly mind-blowing from OpenAI, a new AI project called Sora. Think about this. What if you could literally turn your description into full-blown video? With Sora, that's becoming reality. This AI tool is about transforming your words and ideas directly into visuals. Sora is still in development, but it's already showing crazy potential. You can type a scene and Sora starts generating a video that matches your prompts. And it's not just basic stuff. You can keep refining the output by adjusting prompts or feeding more details. Sora gives you a surprising amount of control over the visual style and direction. Imagine using Sora for quick social media clips, intros, and even those little visual touches that makes explainer video pop. The possibilities are insane. I'll be digging deeper into Sora in future videos, experimenting with different prompting and seeing how far I can push it. If you're as excited about this as I am, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't miss it out. So see you in next video. Take care and goodbye.